Hi and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we shall understand how to use the if node. If node can be configured as a part of workflows. There is a video on creating workflows. I would request you to watch that video to understand how to add workflows into your application. What I have here is a t-shirt ordering application. The first section collects the details of the t-shirt, the second one the customer details, and the last the total cost of the t-shirt. Under the first section, select t-shirt. I can choose a t-shirt type, and you can see that it has a store details, the type of t-shirt, the brand, and the size along with the price. Now, once the sale is made for this particular t-shirt, I need an email to be sent across to the store manager at store 2. And if there is a t-shirt that was selected from a different store altogether, let's say I selected store 3, then I need information about the sale to be sent across to the store manager at store 3. This is what I have as the stores 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are my store managers. So based on which store the t-shirt was purchased from, I need the email to be sent. Let me go ahead and click on Edit App for this. Click on Workflows. Now once I click on Start, I would have the if node under the basic nodes. So once I click on it, on the right panel, you would be able to name it. The next option you see is condition. In here, I'm going to say @store is equal to store 1 and click on save. So if that is true, then I would want an email to be sent across to store 1 manager. Okay, so I have created one node and an email will be sent across to the manager of store 1 if the selection was made for store 1. I can add more nodes here, an if node again, and in this I can say this is for store 2, and I can write the same condition here. As you can see here, I have configured emails for all the 4 different stores, and depending on what store has been selected, the emails to their corresponding managers would be sent automatically. Perfect. That's it for this video. In this video, we have understood how to configure the if node under workflows, and we have given a particular option under which emails would be sent to different individuals depending on the selection made in the application. If you have any further questions, you can always chat with us or schedule a call and we would call you back to help you further. Thank you for your patience. Goodbye.